The last time I did a graffiti challenge, I can't even remember. What's up guys, my name is Chuck and today it's finally time for another graffiti challenge. I'm making this video for two reasons, and the first one of course is I wanted to challenge myself, and the second reason is because I want to annoy you guys. Okay, no, I'm just joking. In this video, which is my most watched video by now, I didn't outline the second letter C. A lot of people were leaving a comment about this fact and I simply had to do something with this. So in this challenge, I'm going to do stuff that if you had a problem with the fact that I didn't outline the second letter C, yeah, then this video will a complete disaster for you. You're probably gonna leave the video even before it's ended. But of course, I hope you stay till the end of the video and you're gonna like the final result anyway. So, without further ado, I'll better start painting, right? So I brought myself a black, a white, 2 green and 2 pink. Colors will be in the description, as always. Alright, look at the piece for a moment. Let me explain what I'm doing. So I started with the sketch, and that was step 1. So I'm no longer allowed to touch the first letter in my name. Now I did the fill-in as well. So from now on, I'm no longer allowed to touch the C and the H. So the third step in building a graffiti piece normally is like building the background. So when I'm done doing the background, I'm no longer allowed the first 3 letters of my name. So after the first 3 steps of painting a graffiti piece. If it sounds complicated, you will see. So once again, sketch, fill in, and from here on I'll start building the background. So that was step number 3. So what's up with not outlining the second letter C in the other video? I no longer really enjoy watching a graffiti that followed the graffiti checklist perfectly. The letter styles might be completely different colors, different background, etc, etc. But a lot of graffiti writers keep on checking off that same checklist, time after time. Is it a bad thing? Not at all. In the end, graffiti is all about taste, so you're also allowed to not like my work and even say it in the comments. I won't feel offended. So my challenge for today is to do a piece that isn't perfectly checking off the graffiti checklist. And then there is one thing that I'd really like to ask you. You maybe can even consider this as a challenge for you. And the question is, what would happen if you change the rules of graffiti? I'm really curious what you guys think about this, so let me know in the comment section down below. So 1, 2, 3, the background. Let's go for step number 4. So that was step number 4, outlining, and now the highlights and the second outline and finishing details. So from now on I'm only allowed to touch the K, yeah, and this one as well. So So that's it. What do you think? Is this piece unfinished, or did I break the rules of graffiti as how you know them? And for those who are just starting out, my advice would be just do whatever you want, whatever you think is alright to do. There's nothing wrong in graffiti, even though people might say this. So just do whatever you like and what makes you feel good, because that's the most important thing of all. You're doing graffiti for yourself, right? And not for someone else. Okay, I'll stop talking. You guys want to see the final results. I get it. This is it.